Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem second most repeated string in a sequence. It is a difficulty easy question. So given a sequence of strings, our task is to find the second most repeated string in the given sequence. So note is that no more two strings are the second most repeated. So that means there will be only a single string which is the second most repeated. So in the given input they also give some sequence of strings. We will discuss in the logic. So they gave a task, we already know. So let us take the first example. So the given array ARR is A So the given array is A, B, C, B, A, and the n value is equals to 6. So now this is a given sample input, the first one. So how to solve this program? So whenever they say the second most repeated, the first most repeated, top k repeated, so like repeated kind of frequency related things, we need to always use a hash map. So in the map, the key value is the normal element from the array, and the value is the frequency of that key value in the array. So in this question we also build a map. So in that map we will be storing the values like this. So in our map, so what are the unique values from our array? They are A, B, C. So they are the values, and triple A is repeated 3 times, triple B is repeated 2 times, and triple C is repeated 1 time. So this is the map we will get after initializing. So after initializing, this is the one step is completed, counting the frequencies. So the second step is we will find what is the highest frequency and the second highest frequency. So take two values, which is HF and second highest frequency. So these both will be 0. So after processing from the only the values from the maps, the highest frequency is, we know, 3. So let us write here. So HF will be 3, and second highest frequency is 2. So this is the second step. So we will initialize the map and we will find the highest frequency and the second highest frequency from the map. And the third step is, after we are getting the second highest frequency, we will check which particular key value is having the second highest frequency. So as they said, there is only one particular value. So if you iterate the map and check which key value has the value of second highest frequency, then B, its value is 2, which is equal to second highest frequency. So therefore the output is B. So we will take a map to count the frequencies. We will initialize the highest frequency and the second highest frequency. We will check which value, key value from the map is having the second highest frequency, and that is the output we want. So there is the logic we are going to use. So now let us convert that logic into code. So there are at most 4 steps which we saw. So those 4 steps will be now converted to the 4. So now we will convert that steps. So the first step is we saw we need to use a frequency map. So how to declare a map? We know there is a popular hash map. The key type is string and the frequency is number which is integer. So map equals to new hash map of. So initialization of map is done. So now fill the frequency values. So use a for each loop, string s from array, map dot put. So we discussed many times the frequency calculation. So s comma map dot get or default of s comma 0 plus 1. You can refer to the previous videos to find this how it works. So the initialization of frequencies in the map is completed. Now we need to find the highest frequency equal to 0 and second highest frequency which is also equal to 0. Now for so now we can see these are the first step up to which we initialize the values and also got it. So now what we need to is to find the highest and second highest values. So HF is the highest frequency and SHF is the second highest frequency. So for int f, so f is the frequency, so we are going to use the for each loop. So in the for each loop we will get the frequencies or only the values by map dot values. So in the map dot values, if our f value is even greater than the highest frequency, then second highest frequency is equals to highest frequency and highest frequency is equals to frequency. Else, not else if our frequency value is greater than second highest frequency and but this frequency value is not equal to highest frequency, then our second highest frequency will be the frequency value. So now it is completed. Now for string s in map dot key set. So key set is a method to get the set of key values from the map. So if map dot get of s is equal to second highest frequency, then return the s. So if nothing is found, obviously anything will be found, but handling any null case, then it is empty string. So if we execute the program, we can see the sample test case is passed and the hidden test cases are executing. There are total 109 test cases, so we can see they are passed. Now we will analyze the time and space complexities of the code. So this hash map take off big of n, this takes big of n time, big of n space, big of n time, big of n time. So the time is the maximum value, so we can see there are all big of n only, so big of n. So space is also, you can say big of n on this, so big of n. So if you see, it is n into max of Sij. So our code is still more optimized than the expected one. So this is the best possible solution for this program. The program link is given in the description. Kindly go and practice the program. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.